Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video I'll be showing you how to get the slit scan effect on TikTok and also how to use an Instagram filter on TikTok. First we'll open up Instagram and we'll scroll across to the right or click on your stories. Then where you normally press for it to record, you will slide that tab across to the right until you see browse effects. Then you'll select that. Then we're going to click on the search and we'll search for slit scan. Now we'll select the third one right there, as you can see. Then to use it now, you simply press down on where you press down to record or tab to start, as you can see right there. Then after you have recorded the video, you'll press on the arrow pointing down, the second one up top, and it will save the video. And after the video has been saved, you will scroll across to TikTok and open the app.
This is how to do the clone tutorial. It seems hard, but it's very easy to do, so keep watching. First of all, you need to record 2 clips of
and then you're going to select galleries and find the video that you just recorded. There, and then we'll select it and upload that video. And this is how you use an Instagram filter on TikTok.